Padcorp's double bull battery pump is now in a new look with new capabilities. Equipped with a robust design, the body of the pump is made entirely of virgin plastic. Switch protection cover is provided to prevent circuit damage. The back cushion and lumbar support are designed to support while spraying. This pump fits the whole body of a person on all sides, so it is easy to work with. The speciality of this pump is that its battery can be easily taken out. This simplifies the process of charging of the other battery and also saves a lot of time. This pump is fitted with an 8 LPM powerful copper winding motor. Launched for the first time in India, the adjustable fog nozzle sets the pump apart with a throw of a 15 to 16 feet. Be aware of market fraud. Use Padcorp's genuine products and make tremendous progress.
Padcorp, prospering farmer, prospering India.